on the debate, we have Dr. Suman C. Raman, political analyst, Dr. D.K. Giri, also political analyst, along with Akhil Khan, political analyst. All will be taking the side of the Aam Aadmi Party. But my first question is to you, Sanju Verma, national spokesperson of the BJP. A number of charges have been made, 2 sting operations so far. Perhaps there could be more. But without getting into the rhetoric of 4 days, 40 days, 4 hours, 48 hours, I'm going to ask you specifically, what, in a simple sentence, if the viewer wants to understand, are you trying to prove through today's sting operation? How does this show Manish Sisodia has anything to do with anything?
Okay. Padmaja, you asked me a straightforward question and I will not hold back any punches. I will say it like it is. You know, there have been 2 sting operations, one on the 5th of September, where accused number 10, Sunny Marwa's father, Kulvinder Marwa, said that they, and when he said they, he meant the Aam Aadmi Party, specifically the likes of Manish Sisodia and Arvind Kejriwal. They took 235 crores from us. From others, they have taken 500 crores. He went on to elaborately explain, पहले हमारा profit margin 20% होता था, now it is 80%. Coming to today's sting operation dated 15 September, the person who gave out a lot of information, or should I say turned hostile after having been one of the beneficiaries, is Amit Arora, linked to Buddy Retail. Now what does Amit Arora say? He also establishes a money trail, clearly saying that 100 crores was given to Manish Sisodia and gang by Samir Mahendru of Indospirits, and 60 crores was given by Amandeep Dhal of Brindco Sales to the Aam Aadmi Party, particularly Manish Sisodia. Now, when the Enforcement Directorate, Padmaja, initially filed an FIR, I remember I was on your show, and the question that repeatedly came back to the BJP and to me was, has there been a money trail? Have there been witnesses? And the Enforcement Directorate has clearly said there is prima facie a money trail. There is a quid pro quo. There are proceeds of crime. This is the exact phrase used by the Enforcement Directorate. And now you have whistleblowers. I know the next question will be, oh, Sunny Marwa himself is accused. If his father in a sting operation blames the Aam Aadmi Party.
No, don't preempt my question.
Let me finish.
Don't preempt my question, because then we'll go all over the place. We are going by specifics. Just a second. So you said, no, just a second. Like I said, we are dealing in specifics. People get confused because this is a technical story. Sanju Verma, let me ask you a specific follow-up question to your answer. You said that Mr. Dhal and Mr. Mahendru, according to this stung person Amit Arora, has said 100 crore rupees advance was given to Aam Aadmi Party, which they put in their election campaign in Punjab. Elections are over. Surely by now you would have established a money trail. Where is it?
Padmaja, let me be very clear with you. You know, the entire investigation process involves filing of an FIR, a charge sheet, there's a trial, witnesses are brought to the jury box, and then you have the judge pronouncing the judgment. We are not a banana republic. Judgment is not a 2-minute Maggi noodle process. Aajkal to Maggi bhi 2 minute mein nahi banti. But coming to your moot question, Padmaja, let me be very clear with you. Do you remember what Arvind Kejriwal said after Bhagwant Mann took over? यदि कहीं पर भी भ्रष्टाचार का आरोप लगता है, आप स्टिंग ऑपरेशन करके मेरे सामने लाइए, मैं जांच कमेटी बिठाऊंगा, मैं इन्वेस्टिगेशन करवाऊंगा. But 10 seconds. What is Arvind Kejriwal today saying? Manish Sisodia को भारत रत्न दो. And I'm sure if Arvind Kejriwal had his way, then Satinder Jain को पद्म विभूषण मिल चुका होता अभी तक. I want to ask one question, one simple question. Instead of the BJP having to prove that the sting operation is not bona fide, we need to ask, why is it that every time the names of Dinesh Arora, Arun Ramchandra Pillai, Vijay Nair and Arjun Pandey, these names prop up, Manish Sisodia has run away from the press conference. Why? Vijay Nair का नाम सुनते साथ Manish Sisodia भाग क्यों जाते हैं हर press conference से? I want an answer to that.
Okay, before you ask that question, for the benefit of the viewer, you also have to explain the context of all those names. And the reason why I was going step by step is because people get confused. You know who Vijay Nair is, I know who Vijay Nair is, the lay person does not know who Vijay Nair is and why he's suddenly cropping up. So I will again come back to the issue of the 100 crores that Amit Arora is speaking of Akhil Khan. Akhil Khan, now here is a man जो कि कोई राह चलता आदमी नहीं है. पहली बात, ये FIR में है. इसके खिलाफ केस भी है. This person has been accused by the CBI, by the way, of being instrumental in tweaking the liquor policy in Delhi to benefit a few people. This man was in touch with two bureaucrats and in collusion with politicians, allegedly, he formulated, or rather, he manipulated the Delhi excise policy in order to accrue benefits. ये आदमी आज बोल रहा है अकील खान कि यहां तो खुल्लम खुल्ला चल रहा है. 100 करोड़ का एडवांस दिया, फिर खुला खेल है, कमाओ. 150 करोड़ तो ऑलरेडी कमा चुके हैं. वो आदमी, ये कोई रैंडम नहीं है, ये कोई भाजपा का प्रवक्ता नहीं है. ये खुद वो आदमी है जिसके ऊपर इल्जाम है कि इन्होंने आम आदमी पार्टी के साथ एक तरफ और ब्यूरोक्रेट्स के साथ मिलकर दूसरी तरफ दिल्ली की एक्साइज पॉलिसी बनाई और लोगों को लूटा. अकील खान.
Madam, tell me, CBI is inquiring this case. CBI lodged a FIR also, and against all these accused. And CBI has in its first FIR says that there is no corruption took place except 1 crore between two private parties. And they have inquired everything from house of Manish Ji and lockers, as well as ED was going to investigate also, but they withdrawn because CBI didn't get any proof, anything of any substance against Manish Sisodiya. First thing.
Okay.
Now, second thing is that this Bharatiya Janata Party, you see, we have been seeing since last 8 years what they are doing. Masters of entire dirty politics, master of entire corruption, and master of entire cheating in India. Tell me, Pradhan Mantri Modi ji, you tell me your relief fund you have created relief fund without RTI inquiry.
और फिर वो रिलीफ फंड, फिर तू मैं होगा. आपका सीधा सवाल ये है, आपका सीधा सवाल क्या है रिलेटेड टू द फैक्ट्स ऑफ द केस. आपने बोला सीबीआई को संजू वर्मा फाउंड नथिंग Akhil Khan claims in its FIR against Manish Sisodiya. अपने खुद के FIR में CBI को फूटी कौड़ी नहीं मिली.
And why they have not given this two sting operation to CBI? Tell me, you are just doing the media trial. You have got nothing to tell just because you are going to lose Gujarat elections, and there is when they lose 2024
when they lose, we'll do a debate. Let's stick to the facts right now.
This is the basic.
CBI को कुछ नहीं मिला मनीष सिसोदिया के खिलाफ. संजू वर्मा, specific.
Padmaja, let us be very clear. Anybody with an iota of common sense knows that be it the CBI or the Enforcement Directorate, and both are empowered to look into money laundering cases, and in this case it is a money laundering case besides being a case of 120B, which is criminal conspiracy, 477A, which is a public servant or a person in high position defrauding the public exchequer, which in this case is Manish Sisodia. Let me finish, sir, I did not interrupt you. Whether the CBI will take on board, whether the ED will take on board the two sting operations of 5th September and 15th September that you and me are not going to judge on national television. They will do what they need to do. When I say they, I mean the investigative agencies. Manish Sisodia से मेरा एक ही सवाल है. Vijay Nair, he benefited from the excise policy. Sunny Marwa of Mahadev Liquors benefited from the liquor policy. Samir Mahendru of Indo Spirits benefited from the liquor policy. Amandeep Dhal of Brindco Sales benefited from the liquor policy. And Amit and Dinesh Arora of Buddy Retail benefited from the liquor policy and benefited in a manner that was done by compromising.
Manish Sisodia has puttingly replied you. He has clearly told that if you have got any substance of this allegation, this sting operation you have made 2 times, you just approach CBI, complain against me, and 4 days let CBI come out with any charges and arrest him. This is a big challenge, and it is
CBI
threatening
is
to
not
you,
answerable to
your
you.
regime, you are making this a banana country. You are not doing anything good for the country. You are just beating about the bush. You are diverting the attention from the bigger problems of the country. You just, because you are knowing you are going to lose in Gujarat, you are going to lose in India. That is the only reason you are doing all these things.
Okay, Mr. Khan, while you are
Nothing else.
Mr. Khan, while there are bigger problems, it is also a problem if there are the exchequer of Delhi has been looted. It also is a problem and it deserves to be investigated. Do you find it suspicious? Just a second, Sumansi Raman.
7 years
that
you have done it.
in today's press conference, there were specific allegations that were made against the Deputy Chief Minister, that of 100 crores rupees having been taken by the Aam Aadmi Party, point number one. And the more damaging allegation was that competition was restricted. Only a couple of people were given these deals, unlike other states, in order for there to be a monopoly. And here is a person who himself is involved in the deal revealing it. Why did Mr. Sisodia not answer any of this? Akhil ji,
Clear answer. We reject these charges and we challenge you. Go to CBI and then let CBI inquire this and let CBI decide whether it is right or wrong. If it is right, arrest Manish Sisodia or Modi ji should apologize to the country that you are making mockery of the democracy. Mr. Modi, you have no right to make allegation. Unfounded allegation against
Mr. Khan, but Mr. Modi is not making these allegations. The person
Modi ji's instances only.
Arre
This is
bhaiya,
all doing
Modi
Modi
ji ne
ji's.
to is
Nobody else.
argument now.
Modi ji is silent, doing nothing. It means he has got a silent acceptance of the charges.
I have to tell the viewers, Mr. Khan is right here with me in the studio, so he knows that I cannot reduce his audio, so he's sort of misusing that privilege. But please, Mr. Khan, Sumansi Raman आप ही की तरफ है, उनको बोलने तो दीजिए. ये मोदी जी नहीं है जो who's making any of these allegations. It is a person who is accused to have benefited from the scam, who himself is saying कि यहाँ पे monopoly बनाई गई थी. अरे अखिल जी, please, Dr. Sumansi Raman is on your side. You are denying with vehemence. Mr. Sisodia did not deny any of it. The question is why? Why is Aam Aadmi Party not addressing the specifics? Dr. Sumansi Raman. Dr. Sumansi Raman.
Yeah, Padmaja, a few days ago, I was thinking that this entire script is playing out like a very badly made, masala movie. And I was really upset thinking that a new director was needed. Now a new script writer is also needed. Look, I think that there is an appalling lack of understanding about the meaning of the term evidence. Somebody says somebody took 500 crores, it doesn't make it a money trail. I mean, how stupid can people be to come on national TV and say that A said B took money and there is the money trail for you. There is the proceeds of crime for you. For God's sake, a money trail means you
No. We are. That is exactly what I'm asking. Where is the money trail? This is not a money trail. My question is different, Dr. Sumansi Raman. Dr. Sumansi Raman, when you say that this is a scripted film, are you suggesting that Aman Arora of Buddy Retail, who is named as an accused by an investigating agency, is actually acting to the BJP script? Is that what you're suggesting? That Aman Arora is a BJP agent?
Padmaja, it does not need a genius to understand that it is potentially possible for the prosecution agency to weaken the case against certain of the accused, should it be so required, and should they provide the script which would help implicate the primary political targets.
So without saying it in so many words, Dr. Sumansi Raman is alleging, Sanju Verma, that you are manipulating people like Vicky Marwa, like this Aman Arora, saying that you speak against Manish Sisodia. We will let you get away.
Manipulation is being done.
Padmaja,
manipulation.
It's all versus Padmaja.
Sanju Verma.
Padmaja, you have 3 panelists supporting the Aam Aadmi Party, which is fine by me. Let me have my say.
Go on.
Okay. Sumansi Raman has put up a valiant defense for the Aam Aadmi Party, but it's not cutting any ice, I'm sure, with your viewers, and I'll tell you why. I have, proof of the fact, and this is there in the FIR by the Enforcement Directorate. This has been also mentioned by the CBI. That
Absolutely.
be it the Excise Act of 2009, be it the Delhi Excise Rules of 2010, be it the Transaction of Business Rules of 1993, be it the
That
GNCTD
does
Act of
not-
1991. The Delhi Excise Policy by Manish Sisodia flouted. Please, Mr. Raman, have the courtesy to keep quiet. I did not heckle you. Please.
You were laughing, madam.
Okay, please, please, please,
Be it-
go on.
Please, be it the Delhi Excise Act of 2009, I repeat, Delhi Excise Rules of 2010, Transaction of Business Rules 1993, GNCTD Act of 1991. Did Manish Sisodia's excise policy, which was later revoked, flout all the established protocol? Yes. And I will tell you why there is talk of money trail and falsification of accounts, which is a big charge against Manish Sisodia. Padmaja, anyone who understands business knows that an L1 license holder cannot issue credit notes to a retail liquor licensee. In this case, L1 license holders were issuing credit notes to retail vendors with the ab initio intent. This is the word used by the Enforcement Directorate. With the ab initio intent to divert funds. That is where the money laundering angle comes in. I want to ask people on this panel who are supporting the Aam Aadmi Party, show me one instance apart from Delhi where an L1 license holder has issued credit notes to a retail vendor. Show me an example.
Okay,
And I
let
will
Professor
take
D.K.
my
Giri
notes.
take that question. Professor Giri. And facts, please, no rhetoric.
Well, I mean, yeah. Well, yeah. Sanju Verma, in her intervention, she said, let me make it very simple 5 times. So she made it more complicated, not simple. And Sanju Verma has more evidence any time than all the agencies put together. That is another point. My point is simple here, that there are 2 investigations going on. The premium agency of our country, CBI, is investigating this case after LG handed it over to them. BJP is running a parallel investigation with the sting operations. I do not know what is their purpose. Are they supplementing CBI's efforts, or they are more efficient than CBI? We do not know. What is the political purpose? It is pure political brinkmanship. You see, when CBI is involved here, ED is involved here, why is BJP carrying out? They are trying to
Answer that, Sanju Verma, because in the last 10 days, nobody has owned up to these stings. Is the Bharatiya Janata Party stinging individuals now? And if yes, are you not muddying an ongoing investigation? Who is doing these stings?
Padmaja, you know, I'm disappointed, but I'm not surprised.
We don't know, but they are all
आज
highlighting
आरोप लगे
it.
हैं
Sanju
मनीष
Verma is
सिसोदिया
telling
पर, the would-be Bharat Ratna and protege of Arvind Kejriwal, but who's doing the explaining? Who's in the dockyard? Sanju Verma of the BJP. Anyway, I'm used to this. I'll just say one thing. Have you noticed one thing, Padmaja? You know, when Sushma Swaraj was the Chief Minister of Delhi, when Sahib Singh Verma was the Chief Minister of Delhi, when Madan Lal Khurana was the Chief Minister of Delhi, we had the likes of P.K. Dave, Ramesh Bhandari and H.K.L. Kapoor, all known Congressies who were the LGs of Delhi.
She's not
But
in
never
that.
you heard, please sir, please,
She's not
never you heard that Sushma Swaraj had a fracas with Ramesh Bhandari, or that Sahib Singh Verma had a fracas with H.K.L. Kapoor, or that Madan Lal Khurana
Okay.
had a fracas with P.K. Dave.
Madam, you are not replying the question.
Arvind Kejriwal has a problem with every
Prime
LG,
Minister.
right from
You
V.K.
are a different
Saxena
Prime
to
Minister.
Rajiv
No, you are sidestepping the question. See, again, while on facts, while the content of this thing may be damaging, the question will be asked to you, because the question is this about making political capital over an ongoing investigation? The investigation is not yielding much. That is what the Aam Aadmi Party is saying. Manish Sisodia कह रहे हैं, आपने मेरा घर आया, मेरा लॉकर सर्च किया, एक पैसा नहीं मिला आपको, तो आप क्या कर रहे हैं? अब आप ये स्टिंग ले रहे हैं मेरे को टारगेट करने के लिए.
पद्मजा जी, मैं एक चीज कहना चाहती हूँ. On the 27th of July 2022,
Okay.
the Honorable Supreme Court made it very clear, and while there is a petition, till that petition is not dismissed, the July 27 judgment stands. The Enforcement Directorate does not have to prove. It is the party that has allegations against it that needs to prove that it is innocent. So
Okay.
Manish
But why you
Sisodia has
are
to
not?
prove he is innocent.
Why you are not? Why you are after this sting operation and you are not allowing CBI and ED to do their work? What is the reason? Just answer this. Just answer this, please. What is the reason? What is the reason you are just after this sting operation and not allowing to do the CBI and ED their work?
It is Arvind Kejriwal who needs
You are
to
again
prove
beating
that
about the
he
bush.
is.
You are not doing.
Okay, the
you are not
only
replying
logical
because
outcome-
You don't have reply.
Okay.
You have got a political agenda.
Okay.
To follow. To just you are seeing the defeat in Gujarat. That's why you are worried about that.
Okay, on
All
one-
BJP people are not able to sleep because of this.
Okay, on the one hand, there is allegations of corruption. On the other, of trying to muddy political waters, muddy an investigation with a political agenda. Doodh ka doodh, pani ka pani can only happen if these things are duly given to the CBI and it has a logical outcome. Already, Manish Sisodia has given you that opportunity. Arrest him in 4 days, he says. We'll be keeping a close track. Monday is not too far away. Thank